Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious shrimp recipe. First, select about 1 pound of fresh, large shrimp, ideally peeled and deveined to save time. Next, prepare your aromatics. Mince 3 cloves of garlic and chop 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Have your cooking oil, perhaps 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a large skillet ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. Now let's get cooking. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once the oil is shimmering, add your shrimp in a single layer. It's crucial not to overcrowd the pan, so cook in batches if necessary. Cook the shrimp for just 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn a beautiful pink and are opaque throughout. Overcooking makes them tough, so watch them closely. Once your shrimp are perfectly cooked, remove them from the pan and set aside. In the same skillet, add your minced garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, deglaze the pan with a 1/4 cup of white wine or chicken broth, scraping up any brown bits. Stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a small pat of butter to create a rich, vibrant sauce. This step truly elevates the dish. Finally, return your perfectly cooked shrimp to the pan and toss them gently to coat them in that incredible sauce. Serve this delightful dish immediately. It pairs wonderfully with a bed of linguine, fluffy white rice, or alongside some warm, crusty bread to soak up all the delicious juices. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Enjoy your homemade shrimp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.